In this video, I'm gonna show you how to get a VPN for your streaming device that's very secure, has no knocks, has decent internet speed, works with zero-knocked content, you don't need no credit card, and all for free, folks. So with all that being said, let's get started. So the VPN I'm gonna show you today is called Award VPN, and this VPN is really good for streaming, whether you want to zero-knock content, so when you're in, say, France and you're from the UK and you want to catch up on BBC iPlayer, you can connect to a UK server to Award VPN, and then you can access BBC iPlayer, which is awesome, folks, and that works for any country, by the way. It really is awesome, Award VPN. Right, so let's install it and show you what it can do. So from the home screen of our streaming device, we need to access our app store. For Android TV users, you'll need to open the Google Play Store. For Amazon users, you'll need to search the Amazon App Store. And by the way, Award VPN can work on a PC, a FIRESTIck, a phone, a tablet, and basically if it wants Android or Windows, Award VPN can run on it, basically, which is awesome, folks. So from your home screen, just go to find, then search, and as you can see, I'm on a Fire TV device, and in here we're gonna type in Award VPN, and there it is right there, guys, Award VPN with the green and white icon. So you're gonna highlight it, click it, and then you're gonna click download. Then you can click open. And Award VPN will load. Right, so when you're here, you can select your server. I'm gonna connect to... Actually, you know what? Let's see what Award VPN gives us automatically. But as you can see, you can connect to all different servers. UK, Hungary, Ireland. Tons of them here. Tons. Just by click on that server just there, and these pull them all up. Right, so we're gonna click on in this application get pin, because how it works is you put in a pin in this application, and that pin lasts for 6 hours, and after 6 hours the VPN will disconnect. If you want to, you can go to the website we're about to go to and correct and open and use that for 6 more hours if you want to. So let's go. Right, so basically on your phone or tablet, you want to go to award-vpn.com/pin. You can also do this on your computer if you like. So again, that's award-vpn.com/pin. Once you're here, scroll down to generate a new pin code, and this will pop up and say thank you, your pin is, and then it will show a string of letters and numbers. So what you need to do is enter that in the application. And by the way, you notice how it's in capitals, so WZC, those can be lowercase. You can enter them in uppercase, but you can just enter this in lowercase, folks. Right, so back on our streaming device, we're gonna click on the power button just in the middle, and then we're gonna enter that pin code. So I'm just gonna enter my pin, and then click on the play pause button, click connect to VPN, click OK, and as you can see, I've connected to London, UK. So I'm gonna click the home button, and then I'm gonna go to settings, network. I'm gonna select my network, and then I'm gonna press the play pause button just there, and then run speed test. And let's see what we got with this free VPN. Okay, so 64 megabits a second. That is very impressive for a free VPN. Most free VPNs only give you 10 megabits a second, but this gives you speeds up to 100 megabits of notice. So if I click home and choose a server, a different server, so I'm back in the award application, I'm gonna click on the server, and I'm gonna choose France, for example. I've connected it to France, click run speed test, and let's see what we got with this French server. Okay, so 93 megabits a second. That is really good for a VPN, folks, especially a free one. So 93 megabits a second. So let me do that test one more time. As you can see, that's 85 megabits a second. So Award VPN is very good for speed, folks, especially because it's a free VPN. And actually a VPN in general, some page ones give you no speed than that, folks. So folks, and by the way, to disconnect, all I do is click on the power button, and that stops the VPN. So what VPN, very great to have on your streaming device. So I hope you have enjoyed the video. If you have, please consider liking it, sharing the video, and subscribing to my channel. I hope you have a good day, and I'll see you in the next video.